Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got something special here with me. This is a triple O design TAD Dauntless. This is the Lambert edition, Kirby Lambert, right over here. I need to thank my buddy Oscar for lending me this guy for review because this is a truly special one. This is not going to be a cheap one. It's going to be around $1,300. It's made in the US. It's like a pretty nice bolster lock. It has an overall size of 7.2 inches, and when closed it's 4 inches long. So this is a beautiful rag micarta scales with back spacer also is in micarta. It has titanium liners, nicely sandblasted. It's just a pretty beautiful, nice. The point type, it's like a clip bayonet, 3.2 inch long in CPM 154. Has a nice satin finish, nice fuller going on, a beautiful hollow grind. The sound it makes, it's just this one, just a classy, very snappy, beautiful and authoritarian sound. Beautiful. When it closes, it's like this, nice, beautiful. It's very distinctive clink. The weight of this guy is going to be 5.5 ounces. It has a pretty cool titanium sandblasted tip-up only pocket clip. The grip is phenomenal, guys. This is just fantastic. Feels great in the hand. There are no hot spots. Beautiful jimping going on in the thumb ramp right over here. It's fast and super smooth, and the detent is just perfectly dialed in. And if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. But thanks for watching and stay tuned.